Most people enter the stock market hoping to make quick money. They see others posting profits and feel like they might miss an opportunity. So they start following tips, social media posts, or trending stocks. But soon many beginners realize something important. Successful investors don't rely on guesses. They analyze businesses before investing. This process is called fundamental analysis. Fundamental analysis is the process of evaluating a company's real value. Instead of focusing only on stock price movements, investors study the actual business. They analyze how the company makes money and how strong its financial position is. This includes examining financial performance, business model, and industry position. Investors study revenues, profits, assets, and long-term growth potential. They also consider whether the company has a sustainable future. In simple words, fundamental analysis helps answer one key question: is this company worth investing in? A stock price and a company's value are not always the same. The stock price simply reflects what buyers and sellers agree on at that moment. But the true value of a company depends on its business performance and future potential. Sometimes strong companies trade at surprisingly low prices. At other times, weak companies become very expensive due to hype or speculation. Markets are often influenced by emotions, news, and short-term trends. Fundamental analysis helps investors identify this gap between price and real value. The core principle of investing is actually very simple. Buy a great company at a reasonable price. A great company continues to grow its business over time. It increases sales, improves profits, and strengthens its position in the market. When such a company grows, the value of the business increases as well. Over time, the stock price usually reflects that growth. Fundamental analysis helps investors identify these strong companies early. There are two main participants in the stock market: traders and investors. Traders focus mostly on short-term price movements. They analyze charts, patterns, and indicators to predict price changes. Their goal is often to profit from quick market fluctuations. Investors, however, focus on the long-term growth of businesses. They study companies and hold investments for years. Fundamental analysis is mainly used by investors to choose strong companies. Many legendary investors built their wealth using fundamental analysis. Instead of chasing quick profits, they studied businesses deeply. They looked for companies with strong growth and durable advantages. Once they found such companies, they invested with patience. Over time, as the businesses expanded, their investments multiplied. This strategy required discipline and long-term thinking. And history has shown that this approach can create enormous wealth. Fundamental analysis looks at several aspects of a company. The first step is studying financial statements like revenue and profit. Investors also examine how the company makes money through its business model. Another important factor is competitive advantage within the industry. Management quality and leadership decisions also play a huge role. Finally, analysts consider broader economic and industry conditions. All these factors together help investors understand the full picture. At the heart of fundamental analysis are financial statements. These documents reveal how a company performs financially. There are three key reports that every investor studies carefully. The income statement shows how much revenue and profit the company generates. The balance sheet shows what the company owns and what it owes. And the cash flow statement tracks how cash moves in and out of the business. Together, these reports tell the financial story of the company. A great company usually has a strong business model. This simply explains how the company generates revenue. Some businesses sell physical products to customers. Others provide services or digital platforms. Some companies even rely on subscriptions or recurring payments. Understanding the business model helps investors predict future growth. It also reveals whether the company can sustain its success. Some companies dominate their industries for decades. They achieve this because they have something called a competitive advantage. A competitive advantage makes it difficult for rivals to compete. This advantage could be a powerful brand, advanced technology, or strong customer loyalty. Some companies also benefit from network effects or economies of scale. These advantages allow them to grow consistently over time. Investors often look for businesses with strong and lasting advantages. A company's leadership plays a major role in its long-term success. Good management makes smart decisions about investments and growth. They allocate resources carefully and focus on building value. Strong leaders also plan for the future instead of chasing short-term gains. On the other hand, poor leadership can damage even great businesses. Bad decisions can waste capital and slow growth. That's why investors study the management team closely. Companies do not operate in isolation. They are influenced by trends within their industry and the overall economy. Interest rates, inflation, and economic growth can affect businesses significantly. Some industries grow rapidly during economic expansion. Others are more stable and defensive during downturns. Understanding these broader conditions helps investors make smarter decisions. It provides important context for evaluating a company's future. Even a great company can be a poor investment at the wrong price. This is why valuation is an important part of fundamental analysis. Investors estimate the fair value of a company based on its financials. They then compare this value with the current market price. If the stock trades below its estimated value, it might be attractive. If the price is far above its value, the risk may be higher. Valuation helps investors avoid overpaying for a stock. The stock market often rewards patience and discipline. Short-term price movements can be unpredictable and volatile, but strong companies tend to grow steadily over time. As their revenues and profits increase, their value rises as well. Investors who focus on fundamentals benefit from this long-term growth. Instead of reacting to daily price changes, they stay focused on the business. This approach has helped many investors build lasting wealth. Many beginners focus only on stock price movements. They watch charts constantly and react to every small fluctuation. Often they buy stocks simply because others are buying them. Sometimes decisions are based on hype, rumors, or social media trends. Without understanding the company, these investments become risky. When the hype fades, the stock price can fall quickly. Fundamental analysis helps investors avoid these common mistakes. Fundamental analysis is not about making instant profits. It requires research, discipline, and patience. Investors spend time studying companies carefully before investing. They wait for opportunities when the price becomes attractive. Sometimes this means waiting weeks or even months. But this patience often leads to better investment decisions. Over time, this approach builds confidence and consistency. Successful investors often think like business owners. When they buy a stock, they imagine owning a part of the company. They focus on how the business will perform in the future. Daily stock price movements become less important to them. What really matters is the strength and growth of the business. This mindset helps them stay calm during market volatility. It also encourages long-term thinking. Markets evolve constantly as technology and industries change. New trends appear, and new companies rise to prominence. But the core principle of investing remains the same. Strong businesses create long-term value for shareholders. Fundamental analysis helps investors identify those businesses. It provides a structured way to evaluate opportunities. That is why it remains essential for serious investors. Now that we understand the basics of fundamental analysis, the next step is learning how investors actually analyze companies. In the upcoming videos, we will explore the key tools used by fundamental analysts. You will learn how to read financial statements, evaluate company performance, and understand important financial ratios. We will also study business models, competitive advantages, and valuation techniques. Step by step, you will build the skills needed to analyze stocks like a real investor. Let's quickly recap the main ideas from this lesson. Fundamental analysis focuses on understanding the real value of a business. Successful investors study financial performance, business models, and competitive advantages. Stock price and company value are not always the same. By focusing on strong businesses and long-term growth, investors can make smarter investment decisions. Next up, we will begin one of the most important parts of fundamental analysis: understanding financial statements. We will break down the 3 reports every investor must know: the income statement, the balance sheet, and the cash flow statement. These documents reveal the true financial health of a company.